Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Aladdin here. I am from CAD NEST. I am a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So today topic is there, that is array. So what is array? How we are going to working with array? So what is array? So see, array is nothing but, so this is a command used to draw multiple copies of an object in a particular pattern or order. We can also manage the distance between the objects in the array. Okay, so the shortcut key for the array is AR. To implement an array, we can type a array also, as well as you can enter AR also, okay, on the command line, and you can press enter. Okay, let's see how the array will work here. So now next is first is here. So in the modify option, you can see the array option here. So if you click here drop down button, you can see these three types of array. One is rectangle array, path array, and polar array. Now see, first it is here rectangle array. So rectangle array is nothing but, so it is a combination of rows and columns and levels. So we can create rows, columns and levels. So let it be example, if I am having one chair designing, so I am just going to make one chair design, like 2D chair designing I am going to make here. Okay, fine. See, now here I have just made one symbol of chair here. So for that one, what I'll do, I want to make a rectangle array. For that one, I'll select this one. Okay, if you select this one here, what you can do here, select this rectangle array. Rectangle array, if you are selecting, automatically by defaultly it will appear that is columns and rows here. So see here, this 4 columns is there, 3 rows is there here. So if you wanted to increase the columns here, you can increase the column, like suppose if I enter this 5 here, now it will increase to 5 here. Okay, so now you can see this one. Even if you want to increase the rows, I'll enter to 4. If I'll enter 4, now it will take 4 rows here. So like that you can make. Now if you wanted to reduce and make this only 2 rows here, now you can see this only 2 rows it will take here. Even the levels also you can give. Now level if I'll give 2 here, now it will take 2 levels, but the level will won't show in the top view. If you want to see the level of that array here, you can click in the elevation. If you click in the elevation, now you can see this one, now it is showing up 2 levels here. Okay, so now again if you want to come back to the top view, you can click in the top view, click this view here. Now you can show like that. Okay, so that is rectangle array. Next it is here path array. Path array is nothing but, see, suppose I am just going to make one path here. Let it be, I have created one path here. So in this one I'll just make one rectangle over this one. Now see this rectangle, I want full of this path here. Then what you can do here, you can select the path array, and you have to select the object, that is this object you have to select and enter this one. After entering, you have to select the path curve. If I select the path curve, now you can see this one here. Now just copy to till this line here. So how many if you want, you can if you want rows also, you can make rows. I'll take 2 rows. Now it will take 2 rows here. If you want to give a distance between that, you can give a distance also. Now it is here 2, I'll just give this one as 4. If I'll give 4 distance here, now it will take a 4 distance from there to there. Okay, even same thing, level also you can do same thing. Now see, next array it is there here, that is polar array. Polar array is nothing but, it will take for a circle and arc. If I'll take this one, now I'm just going to take one arc here. Let it be, from this center point I'll take one arc here like this. Now this arc I want full of this circle here. Then what you can use, you can take a polar array and you can select the object. Select the object means this object you have to select arc. Enter this one. After entering, you have to select this one as a base point, that is center point. If I click here, now you can see this polar array is taken. So now if you want to increase the number of items of this polar array, I'll just give this one as a 15. If you take this 15, now here you can see this one. Now it will create one new design for this one. So if you want to create like this flower or anything, you can make this one as a polar array. Okay, so this is called so this is the way we are going to use the array here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.